It is about our old programming. It is about that which has been programmed so long, so much, and so old, we don't even know it exists anymore. It becomes normalcy.
Right.
And that
Right.
normalcy is that's what the work is. That's what my entire second book is about. How to start working and looking within what you have accepted as normalcy because it's your dysfunction. Or maybe your dysfunction. And that's what we're trying to find out. That's what conscious folks, no matter what direction they were in, was the goal, whether it was a cult or not. I personally always thought the occult was the hardest way to get to that dark side. But if things work for other folks, then let them work. But let's not play with ourselves, because what I started to notice once we get online and this YouTube became monetized, niggas will tell niggas anything to make them feel good about themselves. Anything to make them feel good about themselves, including that hallucinogenics work, sitting down just saying is enough, or whatever. People want different things out of this after all of these years. And like I said, it's really, what I find is most black people stop at figuring out a way to make some money or get their mixtape popping. Consciousness is a thing of the past. Anybody sitting around walking with a kufi on looks ridiculous now. It has been burnt out, it's been played out, and it's over. This, as it has always been, and in fact, one of the things Bobby Hemmett predicted to me, a journey that you must face alone. You must face it alone. Which we see, it's easy not to face it alone and take responsibility. That's when you start talking that community shit. Because when shit don't happen in the community, which it never fucking does, you get to say, oh, black people ain't doing this and black people ain't doing that. No, the reality is you ain't doing shit and you ain't doing that. But you get to blame it on other black people when you say the community and the people and they doing this and they doing that. What the fuck are you doing? What responsibility have you taken for that which you make understood in yourself that needs to be dealt with? No one wants to take the responsibility, because that means you God. Woman or man is God. And what means you God is you taking responsibility for your situation. We keep blaming on the computer or our enlightenment based upon drugs and fucking. You was gonna do it anyway. There ain't no ritual. I remember these. I'm doing a ritual. I'm going to Sedona and we're gonna fucking take drugs. Who's gonna fucking take drugs anyway? And you was gonna go on vacation.